Today we're talking about how to create stories with your videos. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to capture moments by breaking them down into 4 easy categories, just like clothing size: small, medium, large, and extra. Small shots or close-up shots, the little things that bring the scenes into life. Medium is your normal shots that feel natural, showing people or objects at a comfortable size. Large is the big picture, beautiful shots that set the scene and tell us where we are. And finally, extra is where you add movements like time-lapse or hyperlapse to give your story a sense of time, change, and energy. Mixing these 4 together makes your video feel more complete, like real story, not just random clips. In the next video, I'll show you some apps to edit your videos, so make sure to follow me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.